guys, what's going on? So I'm on my way to the post office to send my drone back to Parrot. I had taken it up on my lunch break last week to try and grab some footage of the mountains and do a time lapse of the clouds moving across the top of the mountains. And it didn't work out too well. After about a minute and a half, 2 minutes of flight, it decided to just drop out of the sky. Not quite sure why, not quite sure what happened. The motor, all 4 motors just kind of cut off, and that was the end of it. It was done. It hit the ground on the top, damaged the GPS board, cracked the battery. A couple of the motors are no longer level or stable as they were. It just it won't fly straight anymore. Kind of wants to go backwards and up on its own. So I contacted Parrot customer support via email and explained to them what happened. And I know that something like that's not normally going to be covered under a warranty, but I just wanted to see if they would do anything. They emailed me back within 24 hours, requesting name, address, phone number, serial number, software version of the drone, so on and so forth, and some pictures. So I sent them the information that they requested. They sent me a shipping label to send it back. So I'm assuming that they're going to send me another drone. They might repair it, but I'm hoping that they'll send me another one. I don't know that I would trust a drone that's been repaired or has replacement parts on it, but I thought that was all right. I thought Parrot sending me a shipping label to hopefully send me another drone, probably the right thing to do. Even though I did purchase a warranty when I bought the drone, the warranty is supposed to cover any crashes, accidental damage, so on and so forth. In this instance, I'm not going to have to use the warranty. Parrot looks like they're going to take care of it, so I'm on my way to the post office now. I got everything boxed up. I'm going to send it back, and in a week or two, hopefully we'll find out. I have been digging around online. Been looking at the DJI Mavic drone. Just seems to be a pretty popular drone, a pretty reliable drone from what the reviews have been. So we'll see what Parrot does. I may end up, if it's 100% when I get it back, then I may end up selling it and getting the DJI. So we'll see what happens. Do you guys have any experience with returning drones, crashing drones, drone customer service, so on and so forth? If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Luckily, my vlogs are increasing. I'm starting to become a little bit less camera shy. So hopefully more vlogs will come. Eventually I want to do it 5 days a week. Right now I don't have any sort of set schedule. If there's something I want to talk about, then I talk about it. My uploads are fairly random, but I do appreciate you guys that are subscribed. And I appreciate everybody that watches, likes, and shares my videos. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.